guys, Melissa here from Farmhouse Chic. Gonna show you how I made this beautiful wreath right here. Please forgive the filming. I don't have the right equipment to do DIYs, but I do like to do them, and so I film the best I can. Hopefully I'll have a craft room real soon, and you will be able to get a little better quality videos from me. But this is what we're gonna make, and I hope you enjoy this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and let's get on with the video. This is what you're going to need for this project. You're going to need some succulents, some moss, a grapevine wreath, some wire, some terracotta little planter cups, some LED lights, some paint, and a paintbrush, and some twine, and of course your hot glue gun. Alright, this is what you're going to need to get started. Okay, first we're going to get everything opened up. I'm going to only open 2 to start with because I may not need all 3. Being opened up, you're going to do your placement and see how they're going to look. Okay, so this is very windy here. I put everything in a box. I'm outside, and I'm going to spray paint them. And this is the Waverly chalk paint from Walmart. And then I'm just going to put a quick coat over it. The jute twine came from Walmart, but you can purchase this at the Dollar Tree. This is a little bit sturdier of a twine, and I use it for a bunch of projects, so I just went ahead and bought this. I think this was like $3-4 at Walmart, and you get a whole lot more. So, but everything else come from the Dollar Tree. So, all right, then you take your little sanding block, which also came from the Dollar Tree, and you just hit it. Nothing fancy. Okay, so now we're going to take our grapevine wreath and our moss. They also have the other moss in the green, but I preferred this. And if you tear it apart and just kind of spread it out, it'll be a little bit easier for you. Now I'm just going to trim up. Now we're going to determine how we're going to hang it on our wall. What we're going to do is we're going to put just a little bit of the moss inside the cup. Okay guys, this is the finished product hanging in my kitchen. I just kind of hung it up on a nail so you can get a little better view of it, not sitting on the door where it's going to be hanging. But anyway, hope you like this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you like DIYs, and leave a comment below what you think. Alright, thanks so much for watching. Until next time.